Hello, in this video we'll talk about when you try to change the PDF viewer from Microsoft Edge to Adobe Reader. If you cannot do that, what you can do? So normally when you click Start and search default apps, and then you find the PDF, okay? So from here, normally you can change it from Microsoft Edge to Adobe Reader, okay? So if after you click Adobe Reader, you cannot switch to that, what you can do is see if you have a Microsoft Edge open. If you have, you close that and try to do that again. If you close Microsoft Edge already and still cannot switch to Adobe Reader, what you can do is right-click the text bar and select Text Manager. And from here, you can see the apps. It's Microsoft Edge is not included in this group, but at the background process, you can still find Microsoft Edge here. So you need right-click to end task, okay? After you end the Microsoft Edge at the background, you can try to do that again to select Adobe Reader from .pdf file, okay? You should switch it successfully. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.